Shine. These are indeed conditions for the beautiful game. The backdrop here, picturesque, idyllic. No doubt one of the best days of the footballing calendar, and it has added to a really jovial, happy mood in the stands, helping to raise the level of sound by more than a few decibels. Shirt sleeve order, very much the dress code. One of the great amphitheatres of the game. You are welcome to it, and indeed to one of the grandest fixtures. As you can see, we've already started here. That intervention was very necessary. Cristiano Ronaldo really has the confidence and skill to be able to hold the ball up like that until the support arrives a little sooner, and just maybe there he overdid it slightly and should have released it because the support was arriving quickly. That had to be more accurate. It's Figo. Nainggolan. Chance to break. Going through. Skriniar. Well, each team knows that they're still well below standard, and it's a question of which can find a way out. That has put a stop to that. Plays it through, whipped in, cut out in the nick of time. Tries to get it forward quickly. And they're not going to make any further progress now. Van Dijk. And it's played forward. Barcelona get it back again. Cristiano Ronaldo. Ball's loose, who's getting there? A real chance to break. Played out to the right. He's gone for it! And he's done it! Well, you know, thinking about that, I think they've perfected that on the training ground because it took them seconds to get the ball from back to front. They really commit forward in numbers too. It was all very well drilled. Deadlock broken. It's 1-0. Yeah, and they know there's plenty of work left in this one, Peter, before they can actually say that the job is over. Dashing forward at pace. Hoists it forward. Loose ball, who's going to get there? Oh, good interception. We hit half-time, so there you have it. A close sport half of football. Still had its moments. It ultimately produced just one goal. A decent game up to now. Well, they definitely won't be happy with that half. They seem to lack a bit of desire, especially going forward. It wouldn't surprise me to see a change or two. Already up and running for the second half. Barcelona don't need to press the panic button just yet. They may have to tweak their setup first. If they don't grab an early goal in this second half, they can't hold back though. Loses his balance and loses the ball. Good ball. Oh, shooting chance! Really well taken goal. Barcelona are back in business. Oh, high quality goal. Lovely first touch. Sumptuous second. Barcelona grab the equaliser and we're all square. Well, if anyone in this stadium thinks they haven't got value for money, I give up. A buccaneering run from the defender. defence got the better of him this time, but I'm sure he'll go again. Van Dijk goes looking. And it's Cristiano Ronaldo. It's Benzema! Goal! Barcelona! And the comeback is complete. Barcelona take the lead. Well, unsurprisingly, Peter, the opposition look completely stunned. I'm not sure they can gather themselves. He gets past his man. Good change, he just stood firm. Well, this is exactly the approach they have to take now, Peter. There's not too much subtlety or sophistication about this. It really is a question of needs must. Well, there's no two ways about it. This is what they have to do. Up to meet it! No, not the best of headers. There's going to be another change here. Tries to get it forward quickly, and it's played forward. Question, that's a foul. Keep calm and carry on. That's the job in a nutshell now. Here's Figo, and the weighted pass. Defending of the desperate variety. Gone, presumably for offside. Barcelona are clearly looking to kill this game off. It's keeping the ball away from the other end too. Figo goes long. Barcelona can afford to settle on seeing this one out by running down the clock, I think. It's just a question of running down the clock now. He's got options out wide. Oh, that has a goal! It's in! They have stolen level at the last! And that is about as cool as they come. He picks his spot expertly. Now that's what I call finishing, right in the corner. He knew instinctively who was where and didn't need to waste any time weighing things up. That's a cracking goal. All square again into the dying minutes. Benzema, and here's Figo. He's in! And that is that.